If you're sending cold DMs, emails, or proposals and you're barely getting any replies, this video will change the way you do outreach forever. Because the problem isn't your offer. The problem is that you sound like everyone else. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to book anywhere from 10 to 20 qualified sales calls using Loom videos. Without ads, without a big audience, and without being a sales expert. This is the exact system that I've used to book sales calls consistently. If you want people to actually respond to you, pay attention. I'm going to walk you through why Loom videos outperform cold DMs and emails, exactly how to structure your Loom, how to send them without sounding salesy, and how to turn views into booked calls. This isn't hype. This is the exact system that you can start using today. Now, cold outreach fails typically for one reason. It feels generic. Business owners are tired of the same templates, long pitches, and fake personalization. And a Loom video instantly changes that. They get to see your face, they hear your voice, and they know it's actually for them. You go from another message to a real person in seconds. And that's exactly why response rates jump. You got to realize people buy from people. If they don't know who you are, what you look like, or who will buy from you? People buy from people. So with Loom, people get to see your face, who you are, and you get to present everything up front. That is one of the biggest game changers with Loom. You also have to realize when doing cold outreach, these business owners get multiple calls. They get calls for insurances. They get calls for financing. They get calls for marketing. They get calls for websites. They get multiple calls every single day. So what is going to set you aside, and what is going to give the reason for the customer to want to hear you out compared to everybody else that has been calling them? What is going to set you aside? And that's where we're going to break down why Looms set you aside. But also, Looms work best when you send it to the right people. I focus on businesses that have no websites, or have an outdated website, or have traffic but no clear call to action. Local service businesses are perfect for this because they already want more leads. They just simply don't know what's broken. And that's where Loom comes in. You're able to show them exactly how you can fix this without even getting on a call with them. Now, you may be wondering, well, how do I send these Looms and how should I structure them? So I'm gonna break this down. Every Loom that I send follows this same structure. A quick intro of who you are. For example, me, I would be like, hey John, this is Armando. I was checking out your website. From there, I would follow through with calling out the clear issue. Now make this something obvious, not too overwhelming. Hey John, this is Armando, and I was checking out your website and noticed that you don't have a form for leads to fill out their information. Hey John, this is Armando. I was checking out your website and I noticed that there's not currently a form for leads to fill it out. So what I went ahead and did, I went and made you a quick website preview showing you what the form could do and how it could benefit you and get you more leads in the door. So now what I'm doing here is I'm showcasing the product. I'm showcasing what their website will look like with that form and the clear outcome that it will have. And that brings us to step 4 on the Loom structure, a soft close. And you finish it with this line. If you want, I can walk you through this live. And that's it. No pitch deck, no pricing, no pressure. Now you come out as an expert trying to genuinely help this business out, not sounding like everybody else trying to shove something down their throat that they don't need. Because a business owner probably didn't notice that they were losing leads because of the form. And here's a quick analogy that one of my mentors taught me that I feel like really helped me scale up. And that is, people run away faster from pain than they run towards pleasure. If someone's chasing you for your life, you're going to run faster than you would run to, for example, an ice cream truck. So right here, we're going to show the pain point, what they're missing out on compared to, oh, well, it's just a new website. Like no one really, it's not a big deal to get a new, nice, fancy website, but it is a big deal that they're missing out on jobs that are going out to their competitors just because they simply don't have that form. And that's going to bring us to step 3, what to message them after you send this Loom. And now this message matters just as much as the video, but be sure to keep it simple. Hey John, I recorded a quick video showing you how your website could get you more calls. No obligation, just wanted to show you. And that's it. If they watch the Loom, you've already won. And here's the key. You're not trying to sell in the Loom. You're trying to start a conversation, create curiosity, and show competence. If they reply with looks good, interesting, can you explain more? That's your opening. And you respond with happy to, want to hop on a quick call? Simple, clean, and natural. And here are a few examples just to show you. For example, this company, Good or Done, I messaged them. Hey man, I noticed there wasn't an existing website for your business, so I wanted to show you, and here are some quick examples. This is through Facebook Messenger right here, Facebook profiles. Hey man, I noticed there wasn't an existing website for your business, so I wanted to show you the front page I made for you. Let me know what you think. Oh wow, how much does this all cost? And boom, once again, this is your opening right here. And from here, all you simply do is call the business, book in a call. Or for example, one on Instagram. How's it going, boss? Do you have a website by chance? If not, I can send you a preview of what would one look like with your pictures. Sick work, by the way. So I was just complimenting his work. They do really nice work, asking them if they have a website. If not, I can make them a quick preview. And boom, he said, no man, I don't have a website, and sure, send me a preview. Send him over a preview. This video definitely helped and I'm interested. What would be the price? From here, once again, it's an opening, and I get them on a call. Now you may be wondering, well, how many Looms do I need to send per day? And to be truthfully honest, you don't need a massive volume. A realistic realistic target should be from 5 to 10 looms per day, 5 days a week, and that's it. With consistency, that's enough to book anywhere from 10 to 20 qualified calls per week. Quality beats quantity when Loom is involved. And I see this all the time. People burning themselves out, getting lead lists, scraping leads, just calling and calling and calling, burning themselves out instead of just doing quality outreach. Literally, when I was dialed in this, I was just doing, anywhere from 10 to 20 quality looms a day. And this alone would generate me so much money because instead of calling 100 business owners and maybe 2 were actually serious, I would just focus on 10 to 20 really, really good business owners. I would find what's currently, I'll literally diagnose. I'll be like a doctor. I'll find what's currently wrong with the business, record that loom, show them, and people perceive me just as value. They would give me time out of their day because I was giving them an equal value exchange. When you're cold calling a business trying to pitch your services, you're just trying to pitch them something down their throat. Why should they take time out of their day to listen to you? Why? There's not really a real reason. You're not giving them no sort of value, but whenever you're showing, diagnosing what's wrong, how it can be fixed, and showing the value up front, people will set time aside to get on a call with you. Now, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't make Loom videos too long. You want to make them short and sweet. Try to make them anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes, super short, super sweet, and get straight to the point. Business owners don't have time to be listening to all these fancy keywords. Just get straight to the point. Give them a clear outcome of what they're getting. Another thing, don't over-explain everything. Don't try to explain the SEO, the form, how everything. Just make it simple, clear outcome once again. And never, ever, ever pitch pricing up front. That is the biggest leverage that you'll have whenever you're on the call with the customer. See, if you just tell them that it's $1,000 up front, they're going to be a little bit scared off. But if you show them that they're missing because of not having the site up and running, they're missing out on 5 to 10 jobs that could be worth up to $50,000 compared to them paying $1,000. What sounds bigger? Losing $50,000 every month and not doing nothing, or just paying $1,000 and recuperating that money? Obviously, that sounds better. So that's why you never pitch pricing up front. And never try to sound too impressive. Just speak in simple terms. Once again, that just comes down to being direct. Show them the outcome. Don't try to be too impressive or this does that. Just be straight and direct. Your job is literally just to be clear, not clever. Now, when you use Loom, you stop chasing, prospects start coming to you, sales feel easier, and calls are way warmer. You're no longer selling to cold. You're literally just responding to people who are interested. Now, this isn't instant, but it is predictable. If you send looms daily, keep them short, and stay consistent, you'll start seeing replies within days, not months. And that is one of the biggest beauties of Loom. For example, sometimes business owners might not respond, but if you drop a loom and they get to watch it on their own time, they will be reaching out to you. You consistently do this. Consistency beats perfection, so just stay at it, guys, and you will see the results. Now, if you want to use this exact Loom system to start landing clients consistently, I'm going to leave a link to a free training in the description. In that training, I break down exactly how to go from 0 to 10K per month with the WAAS model and how Loom outreach fits perfectly into this. You also have the option to book a one-on-one call with me in that training where I can help you dial in your outreach and fix what's currently holding you back. Make sure to watch the pinned video first, and I'll see you again next week.